All right, this should be good enough. About to go home, hit the gym, but I had made a night driving video with pre-exhaust that didn't really, couldn't really hear much. It was kind of like a gum chewing ASMR. So we're gonna do a nice little night drive video because I'm about to go to the gym, and I also kind of need to take a dump. So I actually did. I don't know if I can make it all. Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. Yeah, I can make it home. I can do it. I think I can do it. Yeah, nope, not gonna be able to make it home. Okay, so I kind of like went and cleared the house real quick, but I can already feel it coming back. So I've got like grade A shits right now. And all that means is this has to be a relatively quick but fun still drive home. And that's what I'm gonna try to do. It's gonna be a lot better than the first night drive video that I did. I should have posted like something else by now. I'm not sure. But ooh, should have gone, honestly. Should have gone. Come on. Sitting here driving like a fucking granny. Alright. This is fucking, come on. I need this to, I need you to, come on. Come on. Come on. I got a fucking shit. Dude, let's go. Too much wind noise. Swear to God, the audio is gonna be fucked because there's too much wind noise. Where are you hopping in there, buddy? Mr. Bronco man, I need you to giddy the fuck up, Mr. Horse. What is going on here? What the fuck is this? Oh, there's the popo. So it looks like I can. I think there's another one behind us too. Yeah, there is, coming this way. Dude, I got, oh, there's so many of them. I can't even fucking, there's another one behind him. They're all right here. Where the fuck are y'all going? guess it's a good thing I didn't fucking book it after. Damn, dude. This is actually kind of cheeks. Dude, I was about to be ripping through here, like actually. So I'll just pop it in 6 there. And yeah, leave it at that, I guess. Slow down, huh? My boy knew what was up, but there's also traffic. I guess I only get 275. Wow. It's a horrible time to have to take a shit, but I do not want to explain everything going on right now, so this is just gonna have to fucking work, I guess. Honestly, that saved me. I real life was about to be mischievous. Like, real life was about to start just sprinting. And now I'll behave because they can pop up again on that side. That makes so much more sense now. Speed limit here is also 35. I was gonna downshift. What is going on over here? I always forget sometimes that I'm in a manual car and I have to fucking clutch in when I'm about to come to a sudden stop. Is that an accident? Saw a couple of cars. I think the wind is gonna fuck up this audio because I can hear it, so I know you can hear it. I just hope not. Yeah, whoops. Didn't see that one coming. Get the beautiful skyline. It's not as bright as it was yesterday or 2 days ago. But sometimes when it's fully lit up, it is honestly like all the way from over there stretching across to here, and then you can see the bridges. Like, what the hell was that? My car just fucking jumped. Sometimes I don't know if I need an alignment because it doesn't happen all the time, but sometimes the car will just hit a groove and literally just fucking start driving itself. And you know, I have my hand lightly on the steering wheel, but sometimes I'll catch it. Just catch it doing some shit like that. And it's always the most confusing thing to me because I don't need an alignment. I literally just got it inspected and everything's perfect. As perfect as it can be. So it's always really confusing for me whenever that happens. But I gotta, if there wasn't so much traffic right here, this would be ran. But good thing that does not need to happen. Why did it pop like that? That was random. so much traffic. I just need to take a, should have taken fucking Maine. Oh my God. I'm in a very like fucking territory right now. Honestly, fuck it.